10 years ago I bought this shed, and I've been using it as a tool cupboard, paint store, everything really, workshop, and in that 10 years I've never got around to maintaining it at all, and I think I really should. I want to try and save it really and renovate it. So this is what I've bought. I've seen some really good reviews on this stuff. Bedec barn paint. Gone for the matte anthracite myself. Why I went for it, when it's time to do it again, it doesn't form flakes and all that. It just has a sort of a dusty coat, and you just wash it down and go over it again. I've not seen a bad review, so I'm going to try it. To mix it up, I saw this on a YouTube video. It's called Cyclone paint mixer. I've got one of the old little spiral ones, but I don't know, they seem messy, and this one looks really easy to clean. Gets in all the corners of the can as well. For the first coat, I'm going to have to water it down to about 40% so it can soak right in. And it's a water-based paint, but it let the moisture out of the wood, it won't let it in. I will be painting the whole shed, but at the moment I'm just going to do the front, because you can't have it when there's any rain, and it might be raining later this evening. So when I come to do the back of the shed, which is that wall there, it might be a bit difficult because it's about that far away from the house. I intend to get down there with some sort of roller on a pole. That's all I can do really. I'm going to do my best anyway, and I'll do that. I can get to that side and also this side. The roof is having a new roof later. I'll show you that, not today obviously. Yeah, just going to give the front of the shed a once over with this lightly. Yeah.